I need to do this video is because it's very important. Because like I wrote, it's a village vlog. Yeah, village. Nzwa. Ba. Mamu teve tempo a hele. Mamu teve tempo a hele. Kana tempo a hele.
Majumbe.
But just so. No ba hi ya hanga.
Ka call you.
Vami. Achu kwa wana. Oh, ya valu. Kwa valu is hey. Don't come and give issue. Mwana hiyo to hilo ngona nali he. Leo tumano foko ya hikwa. So gbidi mo kerenga. Thank you. Utumana shi shelu kishimo yana hi. Thank you for joining my village vlog. Pandwesa. Yes sir. I'm eating granite. I'm eating granite, fresh granite. It's been long. I've eaten this fresh granite. It tastes good. I'm saying I hear a call. I hear a call. No, yeah. So the granite is very sweet. I love it. I don't know about you, but for me, I love the granite. This is a village vlog. I'm eating granite, fresh granite. If you've not seen granite before, look at this. How am I going to put this in? Yeah, this is fresh granite. Share this video and let other people too see it. All right? This is fresh granite that I'm eating. You know, like I said, this is a village vlog, not like the normal one you know. You know? I'm in the food baskets of the nation. Oh, this one is full inside. Granite. It's very fresh. Like you all know, I travel, so I'm in the village to create some content. YouTube has made me to travel. Very right here, yeah. Move on. So, come on, join me. Let's eat, guys. I'm gonna do something. I'll just write, do you have a village? Do you no, do you have, I think a lot of people don't have a village. Do you have a village. Let's see what people will say. Do you have a village? Me, I have a village. Yes. And I always go to my village. If you're watching me here, let me know where you're watching me from. Me, I'm somewhere in Benue State, Nigeria, Boko. To be precise, creating my content. After I finish eating, I'll go back to my hotel and sleep. And get ready to travel tomorrow. It's been long I've eaten fresh granite, so I'm happy that I found some to eat. And it's very good, nutritious. It's good for the body. Fresh granules, can you see? It's fresh. It's not cooked, it's not dried. This is fresh. I mean fresh is fresh. Oh, let me go to the stream before the night will come. Good. Follow me, let's go. Let's go to the stream. Just follow me. Let me turn the camera. This is goat. Hello, goat. How are you? Come. He's running away. I look like a total stranger to them. Hello, goat. 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 Why are you running away? Oh, this one likes food. Ah. No, you are not even money. I should give. Yeah. Good experience. Or you two, you want me to feed you? Okay. I'm feeding the goat. Take. You want more? Yeah, this is orange tree. I'm cutting the leaves and giving it to them. And they're enjoying it. You see? So now I can touch you. So now I can touch the goat. Oh, let me give this one. Let me know whether you have a village. That's village experience. So that's the stream. Can you see? Enyere. Now go on me. Let me feed my goats. Hold on. Let me know whether you have goats. Come here. I'm feeding you now. You're running away from me. I don't understand. This is. When I try to touch them, they're running away. Let me know whether you have goats in your village. You have goats. Take. What do you want to fight? This one. What do you want to fight? Are you a fighter? Allow this one to eat. Take. Take. Don't be scared. Take. This one is small because he's scared because she's scared because this one is bigger. Like the mother. The mother is fighting the daughter because they're eating from the same plate. So the mother is not happy. So I'm just having a good time. Just wanna have a good time. Hey, come on, hello. Please, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share this video, comment, and let other people watch. You can send a super chat, super thanks, and super ability. The way this goat is eating this thing, don't come and bite my hand. Though. Take. They are looking fresh. Come here. You see, all the goats, they have enjoyed themselves. Now, I'm not going to give you again, no, so don't think I will cut. This is orange 3. So goats, don't come here. You know, these are native goats. They are so sweet. Take. You want to bite? You want to bite? Yeah, come and take. Go. Come and take. Yeah. You want to be eating from my hand. So guys, did you enjoy my video with the goats? As I'm standing here, I'm looking at the stream. Can you see? It's just as it's late now, I would have just gone inside. Should I go inside? So that you can see it. If you want me to go inside the stream there. I hope I can zoom, yeah? Yeah, look at the stream. Can you see? And let me know where you're watching this video from. Can you see? That's a stream. It goes down, 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 down level. It's like a canal. Can you see? Can you see? That's the water that is making noise. Comes all the way, you know. Can you see? Now, if you look there, there are people there. What are they doing? They're smoking. In this place I am, where in places like this, a lot of people who sit here, like they are smoking. It's like they are bunk. Yeah, call it bunk. And this one can zoom far. So can you see? And this is me. This is me. Look at those goats. Look at them. See what they have done to this. Let me show you something. What they have done to this orange tree. Please, if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos, right? I'm in a village doing my village vlog. So now I'm going to cut this orange leaf and give to them. And you see how they will eat. Look at this one is coming because he knew that I'm going to cut this thing and give them. So they love orange leaves a lot. This goat, I don't know the kind of goats you have in your place, in your village, in your city, but this one, can you see? See. Oh, yeah. Two of you. It's a little fight, man. Can you see? Two of them. I used to come and take. Mommy, come and take. Mommy goats, come and take. I want two of you to eat together, all right? Oh, you are stretching yourself too much. Sorry. You to take. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel. You can send a super thanks, super chat in a way you can. We appreciate seeing you watching alone. Is don't bite my hand. Oh. If you bite my hand, I beat you. Look at how this goat is enjoying. You see? The goat is enjoying. Yeah, take. There's nothing for you to eat. You see, they are so fast. These are local goats. They are so fast. Nobody's commenting. Why? Somebody should comment. Somebody should comment and tell me where you're watching this video. And if you are enjoying this video, let me know. And if you have a village, let me know whether you have a village. Do you have a village? Yes, everybody has a village now. How can you be in this life and you don't have a village? Is it possible? Hmm? You cannot be in this life and then you don't have a village. We all have villages, man. And you see, I'm in a village somewhere in Benue State, Boko, Benue State, Nigeria, and feeding my sister's goat. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, share what we're doing on this channel. We do travel videos, lifestyle, and entertainment. Travel vlogs is part of it. Oh, you want to come and fight? Hmm? You want to come and fight? Okay, now let me do a selfie. Come. Come on, take. 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 Oh, you're scared? Okay. Now, I give to this big mama. Big Mama, come and take. Big Mama, come and take. Come and take. Hello, come and take. Yes. Don't bite my hand, though. Don't bite my hand, though. Come here. Yes. I believe this goat here is pregnant. Look at it. It's pregnant. Can you see? The goat is pregnant. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and share. This is just a small goat. This particular one is not pregnant. So it's not pregnant. So nobody's talking to me. You're just busy watching how those goats are eating. I love YouTube. I love YouTube. Guys, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Why is everybody not commenting? It's getting dark already. Do you still want more? Do you still want more? Do you still want more? So you see those goats? That this one in particular, the one with white and some colors. This is a male goat. This is a male. This is a male. Yeah. These are female, and that's the female. And this other one is pregnant. Yeah. This one is pregnant. But that's the oga. That's the daddy. That's the small daddy of the house. I think this is their mom. This is their mom. It's so funny. Do you want more? You see? The goat is saying he wants more. Okay, let me see if I can. get some for you. But you just want me to finish this orange leaves for you. Now you see the orange is even producing. Can you see? It's even producing. You want me to carry them out and give you. Can you see? The orange is still producing. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and super chat, super thanks, super gifts, membership will be appreciated. Yeah. If you find this video interesting, share, comment, and like. So who will take? Who will take? Who? Smalley, come and take. Let me give this Smalley. Smalley, come and take. Oh, you're scared. Smalley, you are beating. Look at your. Smalley, come and take. You. Go. But you're not pregnant. You should not be eating much now. Eh? You this black goat. You are eating. Why are you too? Come and eat. You that you are pregnant. Come and take. Why you running away? Come and take. Take now. Okay. You finish it. It's getting dark, so let me try and go inside. Thank you guys for coming to watch these videos. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. It's getting dark, so you're not seeing me again, so let me just end the video from here. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment for more videos like this. Please support my channel in any way you can. Just support me in any way you can. I will appreciate your support, no matter how big, small, little. Anyhow, I will appreciate your support. Don't forget to support this channel. This is a travel vlog, lifestyle, and entertainment channel. So if you're here, these are the things you are going to be expecting on this channel. You're not going to expect something. You're not going to be disappointed. Yeah, let me just put it that way. Once you're here, you're not going to be disappointed. You're going to enjoy yourself and enjoy the channel too. So what are you waiting for? Support, share, comment, subscribe, and let's keep this channel going. All right, I'm here to serve you, so I'm your servant. Just allow me to serve you guys. You're just the best. You are just the best indeed, the best indeed. Where are you watching from? Nobody's saying anything. At least I should say comment, likes. You know, when you are doing a live video and you see your fans engage with your live video, comment, liking, sharing, it makes you feel better, and you too, you enjoy the stream more. So but when you're streaming and people are just quiet, nobody's saying anything, and you're just the only one talking, it doesn't make sense. It's kind of communication. The reason why you are alive is we're here to communicate. Yeah, we communicate with each other, talk to each other. It's very important, right? So I know a lot of you have something to say, but maybe you are shy. Why are you shy? Why are you shy? Subscribe. If you're here and you're not subscribing, you're doing the wrong thing. Oh, Oshia. When I call sugar, I'm saying.
Ne, nzwa. Uyi demo kaka mlaga baki nwa. Ah. Nala kula hide mino.
Kota mbahi.
Kwala.
Kota mbahi wana. Muka mne kota mbahi wana hindi.
Kagwe. Mo, nzangu mo kaka kama kira hatu hiyo.
Nyana mahoma hato. Can you go home?
On the young senda ula. Agua. Zbana tobe kama baba mimi watu.
All right, guys. Bye. See you later. It's dark, so you're not seeing me, so the video is not kind of enjoyable. Sorry, it's late, so I'm very sorry. See you next time. All right, maybe tomorrow. Love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Comments. You can watch some of my other videos. Thank you so much.